Yo, what's up guys, my name's Max and welcome back to episode 2 of Jungle Land. We know basically what we're going to do and we're not going to explain it now because I want this intro to be short and snappy. Yeah, we're just going to explain basically it. Strip mining, work on survival, farm, kill, and then parrot protect, me and best attack. Okay, get up here. Frick. Hold on, I gotcha.
Does this look good?
Jules, you're not a spider, you're a parrot, so get up. Stop swimming! You're a bird, you must be airborne. Come on.
my bird. Is it in my body? It's in my shoulder.
I can't believe you've done this.
I'm gonna sit you down and push you in.
Why you bullying me?
There you go. All good. There's your bird.
Of course you fly up.
Damn it. I wasn't meant to put it there. I'll put it right underneath it, but it won't go up. Go up! There you go. Just make a little platform right here, just in case they are stupid. You're pushing into a door. Hey, just slide into your DMs real quick.
Hello, motherfucker!
Go in there and stay there.
Yeah.
Wait, what if I make them breed?
Help me!
I've got seeds.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer? Every night.
It's not working.
I know that. There's no such thing as blue parrots.
Oh. There. That. There. Perfect. Right, I'm gonna start building down now. I need you. No, wait. Torch. I got 4. Any seeds?
Get me seeds. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good cave.
You're editing on your way up. You mean making? Ow! Oh,
Yeah, boy.
you're down the wrong side.
I'm joking! Stop!
No, you're dead. I want to take the arrow, but I can't. Oh, I can't put a lead on it.
I think it's like with bamboo.
I don't have bamboo. It's just sitting down. Can I give you seeds? Don't moan at me. What am I doing wrong? It's not my fault there's no bamboo around here. I know where to get bamboo. It's bamboo at. Does it eat watermelons? Let's test that theory. Do you want watermelon? No, you don't. You just like sitting down. That's a lot of bamboo. Right, did they make a run for it?
No, it's standing still.
Ow!
It's set on watermelon.
Hello!
It's following you now,
Come on,
see?
follow me. If you follow me back to my home, I'll give you more. So adorable. I need to make fences. So I'm gonna leave it outside.
Yeah.
Because it takes a long time to eat 1 stick of bamboo. While I make fences and keep the bamboo in my hand.
I'm going to your house now, but look at this.
Got 2 birds. Where's Jules at?
Yeah, look how cool it is.
Alright,
Outside.
I can make a few fences. 6
Who's outside?
fences.
No.
Alright,
Yeah,
got 1.
Nearby.
It's just holding the bamboo.
I'm 11, so shut the fuck up.
Hey, hey.
No.
Jules, what are you doing in there? Get out. Come out. Over here. Shoulder.
Mission failed!
You freaking dumb parrot. You don't
Nope.
You don't
I hate my parrots are just creeper and zombie and everything noises.
Mine is a freaking numbnut. Keeps chumming into the water. Now hopefully the panda don't despawn.
Hopefully, yeah.
Hold on, wait.
Fair enough.
Holy crap.
Hi,
Well, we need to make a path.
Look below us. Look below us.
Hi!
Why are we still here?
Hey, how you doing?
Just to suffer.
This is your afro. Water. And then we're gonna have to make our own way.
It's following me!
Alright. That's it. Safe path.
Yeah, I don't see it then.
Alright, hold on.
You have enough blocks.
Huh. Yeah. Made it.
Do we have enough blocks to get back up though?
Yeah.
I see guys another could coming down any minute now, there will be.
We need to stop that lava flow.
Never mind.
I'm afraid to go here.
There we go.
Ah.
Jump over it. It's gold!
Oh, pow. There you go. Oh, hi, creeper up there. That's a
Watch
lot
your
of coal up
profanity.
there. But there's also
Yeah, I know.
a very dangerous thing
Yeah.
there. Ooh. Damn, I just jumped into a hole that you just made. Alright, we're gonna have
So when you read stuff up, do not read out loud, please.
yeah. I gotta stop that. No!
Mission failed. We'll get them next
Not
time.
that good.
Oh god, oh jeez, it's flowing down.
Come on.
Well,
you gotta
that's a
get up there
path,
now.
that's a path cut
Okay.
off. Otherwise we fall off. It's actually
you
very
go.
decent. We'll carry
Anyway,
on with
back
that next video.
Yeah. Then we hurry up now and then we end it.
That is actually a very secluded mine, so basically no one will know that's there. Oh look, there's the panda.
Yeah.
Jimmy, she's vibing.
It's just wide bin.